Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. I thought I would do some more work in my sketchbook today. And here I am painting a lovely summer oak tree in February. It has been bitterly cold lately, so I have been fantasizing about spring and summer and green leaves on the trees and warm summer air. I have been enjoying my walks during lockdown, and we've been lucky to have a bit of snow. I think we've had snow 4 or 5 times now, but yeah, it is so cold. So I thought I would warm up in my sketchbook. A lot of artists do like to live in the moment and paint in season, and whatever season's outside is what they paint inside. And I generally do tend to do that as well, but every so often I do like to paint out of season. I just paint whatever I feel I want to that day, and whatever feels good. I love mossy old trees, and here I'm painting a fairy tree. I would love to know who lives inside this tree, and imagine them all cozy inside. Painting trees and nature is one of my favourite things to paint. It's something that comes really naturally to me, and it's just so relaxing. It's just effortless. I don't have to think about it. I just do it, which is not, of course, the same for everything I paint. I do enjoy painting portraits and fairies and goddesses, but I do find it requires a bit more concentration, especially painting the skin, which I think I am getting better at, and of course hair, which is something I have found quite challenging, but nonetheless worth it. But that's not the same as painting trees, which I don't have to think about. I just do it. And here I'm painting nature spirits and dryads and tree spirits, and really enjoying it. I reckon each one has a story to tell. I always like to imagine that the forest has eyes and guardians and spirits watching over the forest. And each plant, each animal, each rock, all has a spirit. A tree spirit lives in the soul of the tree. They also act as guardians and the life force of the trees. They are responsible for the nurturing and growing of them. They are very old and wise and can offer a lot of wisdom. They are also healers, and you can absorb their energy leaning on the bark. Tree mothers are the female spirits, very old and wise, and can be found in the very old trees and ancient woods. Dryads and tree fairies are not tree spirits themselves, but they are attached to a particular tree or group of trees, and they can only live as long as the tree itself. So if the tree was to be chopped down, the dryad would unfortunately die with it. And their purpose is to watch over and care for their tree. Dryads are always female and usually inhabit oak, though they can be found within many trees. They're very fierce in their protection of trees, and no damage would go unpunished. I also like to imagine that there are fairy portals inside trees, especially old dead trees that are all hollowed out. And only appears to the bystander when they are ready, or given permission to see. Those are some of the things that I like to imagine and think about, and that's what I was thinking about when I did this sketchbook page, and I am really pleased with the result. And that's it. I hope you have all enjoyed this video and didn't mind me just rambling on there throughout the video. If you are interested, I have a Patreon page where I have the full tutorial lessons of each of the paintings in this sketchbook, which I go into with more details. So that's it from me today, and please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.